Hey guys, so in this recipe, I'm showing you super easy, one step in the blender waffles. So I'm using oat flour instead of regular flour. I'm gonna put a little applesauce in there to sweeten it. Some of my homemade simple syrup that I've told you guys about. A lot of fun stuff. I really like this recipe because everything goes into a blender. You turn it on and that's it. My kids are asking me a lot for like waffles and pancakes recently. And I needed to figure out how to make it easier because working mom over here. Okay, great. Let's do it. First, 2 cups of oat flour. In we go. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. So this is a 1/4 cup of my homemade simple syrup. I've shown you guys how I make this before. Sometimes if I have my infused simple syrup, like when I make my ginger simple syrup, it's a really nice extra addition to this. And my kids love the extra flavor. They don't really know where exactly it's coming from. So sometimes that can add a nice depth. This is just my basic simple syrup. 1/4 cup, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. So this is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. I mean, it got a little solidified on the counter, but that's fine. This is gonna blend well still. So melted butter. 2 eggs, we're just gonna crack them right into the blender. Let's just make this real easy. 1, 2. Easy peasy. 2/3 of a cup of milk. Check out how easy this recipe is. Ready? Done. Into the waffle iron we go. So now let's preheat our waffle iron. All right, here we go. My waffle iron is all ready to go. I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of nonstick spray. Okay, great, so let's do this. Whoa. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this. You could smell the apple. So beautiful. Okay. All right, it's counting down. We have 5 minutes. Tell me a story. No, that's good. It's a good sound. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Wow, guys. I know I shouldn't do this, but I always do. I just reach right in with my hands. Can we talk about it? Let's talk about it. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. It smells amazing. The apple, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. Oh my gosh, I love the oat flour. It kind of has like this really great kind of sweetness to it. It's sweeter than regular flour. Oh my gosh. Guys, my kids are gonna flip out. My goodness, yay. I have one of our blender waffles. You guys saw how easy that was. Like recipes like this I really love because normally you just store by your waffles. I get it, I do that too, no big deal. But you see how easy it is. You know exactly what's going into it. We don't have to make it like shelf stable, freezer stable, fridge stable, you know, because a lot of times, a lot of that stuff is added in to like prolong the life of it. But now we know exactly what's in here. You guys saw how easy that was. It smells amazing. And I'm gonna top it with a little maple syrup. Taste it. Oh my gosh. You guys, my kids are gonna lose it. That's delicious. It's hearty. The oat flour really makes a nice difference. Oh, that's so good. My kids are going to lose their minds. Yay. See you guys next time. I'm going to go eat my breakfast.